guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for coming back. I'm Patty. So I did for you guys this look using my Game Share palette again because I haven't played enough in it, and I'm gonna be playing more in it because I love that palette so much. So yeah, if you want to see how I recreated this look, just continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before watching the video. Okay? Okay, so let's enjoy the video, guys. Hey guys. So I already did my eyebrows, so right now I'm just priming my eyelids with some concealer, which is the medium beige from LA Girls. I'm priming that lid to make my colors pop. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, so guys, I'm starting off the look with this yellow shade, which I don't know the name yet, but it will be in the description box, so bear with me. See, I'm just placing that as a transition shade. I know that right now you can't really see the shade, but bear with me. You'll see it when the look will be final. I will be adding more of that color. Then I first went in with the lightest green that is at your left, and I placed that basically in the same place that I placed my yellow. I just placed it on top of it, and then I took the darkest green and I placed it in my outer corner to kind of how can I say that, kind of intensify the look. Okay, so this is me showing you again. The first color that I pointed to is the color that I put on top of the yellow, and then I'm just putting the darkest green to darken the look a bit. And all the names will be in the description box, guys. I'm so sorry, it's early in the morning and my palette is not near me right now, so bear with me. Okay, so now I'm taking this purple shade, which the name is Single. I put that in my outer crease. I put that to intensify the look. But later on, you'll see me going with the darker purple, which is, I think that, no, the name's not cool. Anyways, the name will be in the description box, but I placed the darker purple in the same area because I felt like this purple wasn't doing me justice, and it wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So yeah. I went in again with my concealer to cut the crease and to make my colors pop, the colors that I was going to put on my lid pop a little bit more. So that's what you see me doing here. again on my lid. I don't know why the second color that I painted looks yellow, but it's not yellow. It's orange, and the second color I painted is red. So I'm just starting off with putting this red, and then closer to my, well, in my lid, I'm going to put the orange shade. So yeah. And look in the description box for the name color. All of the shades that I use are from the James palette and Morphe collab. Yeah, they're all from the same palette. So it's gonna be easier. So yeah, here you see me applying this orange shade. Now onto my face, priming my face with my Becca Element Matte and Poreless primer as per usual. Then I will be setting my oily. Spots with my Sacha Cosmetic Buttercup setting powder. I will put that on my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin, because that is the places where I get the most oiliest during the day. The foundation that I use is the Too Faced Times Jackiana Born This Way foundation, and I use the color Brulee. I don't know how I feel about this this foundation yet, but I'm just gonna keep on trying it because it was expensive, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Concealer that I'm using is the concealer that I've been using all throughout this video, which is the medium beige from LA Girl. Yeah, it's been a long time I haven't used that concealer, and I just went back to it and I actually missed it. The powder that I use to conceal all my well, my concealed place. How can I say that? All the place where I put my concealer is the same as before, the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and now I'm just contouring my face with a mixture of copper brown and espresso from the Beige contour kit, contour palette, medium to tan. To set everything and to put everything in check, I'm just using my NYX setting spray, which is the best drugstore setting spray. For my lips with True Brown K from Kylie Cosmetics, and I just applied my gloss from Victoria's Secret, and the highlight that I use is my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for coming back, like I said, and have a blessed night, day, evening, whatever. And yeah, on your way out, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. What else? Your body will kill me. Now, open up a Ram Town. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.